In today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually reset your Hikvision DVR forgotten password using security question. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Now let me assume for instance you forgot your password and you've tried the patterns, it's telling you incorrect password. You've tried several ways, telling you incorrect password. You've gone into this forgotten pattern and tap here and try to use the other method alphabet to put password, yet if you try to log in, they're telling you incorrect password. So how do you now reset your password to a current password? So guys, now if you try all this and it's not working, you can see right here forgot password. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you will get these 4 options that will help you to reset your password. We have the Hik Connect app, we have the email, we have security questions, and also we have QR code or file. Now among all these 4 options, now the easiest one that you can use is this security question. Now you see, if you're getting your DVR activated for the first time, now you will get to a point whereby they will ask you some security questions and answer. So you provide them. If you can remember, just go through it, remember what you choose, then come here and tap on this security question, select it, and then come here and tap on this OK. If you tap on this OK, you will get this very page here or this menu. You can see now they will ask you 3 questions that you provided, like you give answers to them. The first question here is your father's name. As I said, if you're getting your DVR for the first time activated, you should know the questions you provided to the answer. So I'll come here and tap here and put my father's name. That's exactly what I put when I was activating my DVR. So if I put my father's name, I've answered the first question. So I'll come here on this second question, your favorite book. So I'll come here and provide exactly what I provided when I was activating my account. I'll come here and put my favorite book. Okay, if I'm done with the second question, you can see the last one, you can see your favorite movie. So come here and put your favorite movie as you put when you were activating your DVR. So if you are done providing your answers, you can see here, just come here down here and tap on this OK. You can see because my answers are correct, that is why it brought me here to have my password reset. But if my answers were wrong, then I wouldn't have been able to get to this page to have my password reset. So I'll come here and create a new password. So I'll come here and put my new password here. If I enter my new password, I'll come here and confirm the password. Also, if I confirm the password, also it's important to come here and put a password hint so that in case you forget it, you can come here. I'll just put BAN. So if I'm done the whole thing, then I'll come here and tap on this OK. And you can see, note, the password is reset. I can now close. You can see. So you can see, seeing the password. So right now, I've been able to reset my password right now. I can just OK here. Now I can come here and put my password and log in. I will log in. You can see that I've logged in. I can also come here and put my pattern. So I will confirm a pattern. So right now I'm creating a new pattern again. I'll leave it. So you can see I've logged in with a new reset password. You can see, right? It's that easy, and that's how you can actually reset your password in case you forgot it. Thanks for watching and bye.